Welcome everybody to our third webinar for the enterprise solution here at the viewneo office. My name is Christine and I'm representing Toby today because he became a father for the second time. And yes, I would like to show you our topics for today. And okay, I'm sorry because I think we got technical problems here with the sound. I hope you can hear me now. So I will start again. Yes, hi, I'm Christine. I'm representing Toby today because he became a father last 2 days. And yes, I will do the webinar today for you. And let's start with an overview of the topics I would like to give you. And yes, I hope you can see the page. First, I will tell you something about the use cases for the enterprise solution. Then I will get to the benefits and the main features of our enterprise solution. And then I will get to the white label option you will have with our solution. Then I will give you a quick demonstration about our enterprise program and how you can use the white label feature. And then I will give you some information about the pricing. And after that, you can ask me some questions. Yeah, the live chat isn't working, so please write me an email to christine@viewneo.com. Yes, the use cases. The use cases are if you are a reseller, you can set up client accounts, so called professional accounts within the enterprise solution. And then your clients can use their own CMS with your viewneo branding or your white label. And the second option is if you're a franchise company, you can, and if you are the head office, you are able to set up accounts for franchisees, and you can share predefined playlists, contents, and infos through the enterprise account. And yes, the benefits of our enterprise solution are that it is a ready-to-use solution, it's fully developed, and it's easy and convenient. Also, you have the white labeling option, and we can do individual package. And so our enterprise program is starting with 100 licensees, and you can upgrade the number of licensees and the professional accounts at any time. And you have less investments because you don't need developers and you don't need designers, and therefore you have competitive prices. Yes, the main features of the managing tool is that you have professional accounts. You can add these so that your clients can log in directly into the professional account to manage their own CMS. And you can also manage the licensees you will get or you will give your clients, and you can share a playlist or sharing content. That's what I said. When you are a franchise company, you can share information throughout the enterprise CMS. And the best thing is that the management is only in one dashboard. Yes, we are offering a white label solution within the enterprise, and it includes the content management system, fully customized. So you can choose your own logo, you can choose your own colors, and you will also get a web URL for login branded with your company name. And also the whole email communication through this system is white labeled, so you won't find any kind of viewneo logo in there. And you also have the opportunity to purchase white labeled hardware, includes our application. And yes, the white label solution is that the clients will only see the custom login field with your logo. But I will show you it in the short demonstration I will give you in a few minutes. So yes, we're starting the demonstration now. I will show you some main features of the CMS and using the white labeling and manage professional accounts for your clients. So yes, this is our CMS. Now it's viewneo branded, but I will show you how you can create your own CMS. If you want to create your own CMS, you can go to the dashboard. Then you have the white label option, and here you can set up the logo if you want by clicking here. And you can also change your product name if you want, and the email address where the emails to your clients were sent to. And also you can change the color for your CMS. You don't need to use this one. You can also choose whatever color you like to. And yes, you will, within the enterprise account, you will also have an open interface. Here is the API. If you if you want to connect with third-party software, you can do it here. You can find the API here. And yes, if you want to, if you want to add a new account, you have 10 accounts free in your 100 licensee package, but I will come to it later within the pricing slide. And yes, if you want to create a new account, you just have to click here. Then you can put the account name in it. I will do it this. And also you need to put the super user's email in here. I will quickly do it. So here you can choose the amount of licensees, how many licensees your client need. Maybe I can do it to 10. Here you can choose the total storage your client should have. You can choose till 250 gigabyte, and if you click save, okay, your account was created, and your user will get an email, and I can quickly show you how the email will look like with a white labeling. I have used the white label CMS from a colleague of mine, so I will quick change the picture to it. It looks like that. Okay, and now your user can go, or I can log in into the CMS of my client. Okay, I first have to set up the password. Okay, and now you see that your client don't have the opportunity to change your white label because the dashboard is missing here. You just have the opportunities to load up some files, and you can show the playlist. If you go back to admin, you are back in your CMS. Here on the media file you can load up some pictures if you want, or you can create the weather, or load up a YouTube video or a Facebook software by using our plugins. And if you're doing a right click, you can also set up a new folder or add websites. Or what's new is that you also can download pictures from Pixabay directly to your media library. And you can also create a with our Instagram plugin, you are able to put your Instagram page into your playlist. And how you will create a playlist, I will show you now. You have to click here and then here to add playlist, and then you will choose a name. Okay, and now you can just drag and drop your content right into the playlist. And if you click on one image, you are able to do a configuration. You can just choose the time, how long does it how long does the picture needs to play. Make 30 seconds, for example, and then you can schedule it. If you click here, content plays according to schedule, you will get a schedule, and you can choose your start date and your end date, and start time and end time. And you can also choose on which date it has to be played. And if you click OK, it will set up, and now you can just save your playlist. And yeah, it's saved now. Yeah. Okay, let's come to the devices. If you wanna add a device, for example, our viewneo 4K signage box or our new signage digital signage stick 2, you first have to create a group, and maybe I can do it webinar group, and you can choose a playlist for the group. I will choose this one. And then you can save it. You can add as many groups as you like. And if, for example, if you're a big company and you have different, if you have accounting, or you have a warehouse, and different content has to be played in the different parts of your company, you can create different groups. Maybe if you have a warehouse, you can do it like that, warehouse and accounting, and you can just choose the devices or the screens they are in these parts of your company, and then you can add the devices to this group. So just the playlist for warehouse will be played in this group, and the playlist for accounting will be played in this group, and no other group will see what's playing in this. So yeah, here you can set up your devices by choosing a name. Then you need to fill in the activation key you will get from your screen, and you can choose the playlist. Okay, let's save it. Okay, it doesn't work because I don't have an activation key right here. You can have advanced settings. You can choose the time zone and the rotation. And you can also choose the interaction. If you have a touch screen, for example, you can choose and you have a template, for example, where somebody can touch, and then you can just activate it here and click allow, and you can choose then a website, maybe the new homepage, where they will get into when they're touching the screen. And here you can just put in how many seconds it will take to get back to your template. And yes, here you can choose your plugin, or you can purchase the plugins if you want to. We have several plugins here, and for activation you just need to if you're purchasing, for example, a YouTube plugin, you will get an activation key from us, and this activation key you have to put in here, and then click to activate, and yeah, then it's activated and you can use it. But you will have to do it for each user. You cannot do it just for you and then everybody has it. You just need to purchase it for every customer, client, sorry, you will have. Okay, I will show you how the login page will look like if you are using our white label solution. Then I need, for that I need to switch the screens again. So here is the login page. Okay, now we're done with our quick demonstration, and yeah, if you still have some questions, please feel free to write me an email, because now we're getting to the pricing. Yeah, as I said, our enterprise solution starts with 100 licensees you have to purchase. Each licensee is €4 or dollars, sorry, and so you will pay $400 per month, and 10 professional accounts are included. And if you want to add a professional account, you will have to pay $3 for each per month. And if you're choosing to use the white label option, you will have to pay $6,000 one time, and it lasts for a lifetime. So you just pay it once and you can use it how long you want. And yes, also we have the hardware pricing. We have our viewneo 4K signage box with $130 per piece, and viewneo signage stick 2 for $100 per piece. And if you want to purchase the hardware with a white label, so it's completely black and no logo is printed on it, you will need a minimum order quantity of 25 pieces, and then it's $150 each for the signage box and $120 for the signage stick 2. And if you also want a custom box or a custom stick, then it's on demand. Then you need to write us an email and we can set up everything for you. So here's a pricing example. If you need 250 licensees, then it's a total monthly cost for $1,000. And 25 professional accounts are included, and the total monthly cost for professional accounts are $45. And yes, the white label, as I told you, and in this example they have chosen 25 white label sticks, so it's $3,000. Yeah, and now we are at the end of our webinar. I hope you understand everything, and if you still have some questions, please feel free to contact us. Yeah, my email address is christin@viewneo.com, and you can also write an email to my colleague Tobias, which email address you can see here. And I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, if you still have some questions, feel free to ask us at any time. Have a nice evening.